BJP Meghalaya Vice President Bernard Marak today alleged that there is a large-scale manipulation in the implementation of the old age scheme and even the scheme for disabled in the state. Marak said that there are beneficiaries who are not getting their dues and this must be stopped for the benefit of the beneficiaries. He asked the state government to immediately look into the issue and rectify the error for the sake of the old age people and disabled people.
These people, the beneficiaries, are not getting their due amounts. Like today, in some cases, we have come to know that the name, the picture is of that particular person, but the account number is of another person. So it can be counted as corruption only, because earlier they were getting the money, now they are not getting the money. So it has gone to that extent that even the old age and the disabled are being victimized. So you can understand the manner of corruption that is prevailing in the state.